Hey, what is going on? So today we're going to take a look at a Comfort Aire. Yeah, I've definitely never had this air conditioner. It appears to be an Arctic King or Frigid Air. It's something made by Electrolux, I guess. Yeah, it looks just like an Arctic King. I never had one of these. Yeah, I picked this up off the street today, and it was missing the panels. I added these panels on. There's panels a little older than this air conditioner. They don't look great, but you know, that's all I got. So this is an 8,000 BTU, and it's from 2019. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had an Arctic King that was 8,000 BTU that I can recall. Maybe I have, I don't know. Yeah, anyway, this was in like excellent shape, aside from missing the panels. The back looks like new on it. I didn't even have to clean this. All I did was I took the cover off and washed it. I didn't clean the inside or nothing. It was really clean in there. It looked like somebody used it for like a week or two. I mean, there's no dirt in there or anything. So yeah, this is a good score. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Yeah, I've had Comfort Aires. I've had a couple that were called Comfort Aire, but they were older ones. And they were not like an Electrolux. They're more like a Fetter's air conditioner, as I remember. Yeah, this works perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. So that is low. It's got a fairly strong fan. I already ran this, of course, so I know it works. I wouldn't have cleaned it if it didn't work. Yeah, never had one of these. Yeah, it's got a GMCC. That sounds alright. Got like tape residue or something on it. So let's see, it's a medium. High. Yeah, it's a pretty strong fan. That's low. It's not bad on low. Look how clean that coil is. I didn't even wash that. Yeah, I think this is hardly used. Alright. There we go. I got the filter for it over here. So, there you go. There's a 2019 Comfort Aire 8,000. I will see you next time.